I watch the sunrise, the morning still gray. Your silhouette's gone, but your ghost seems to stay.
I found a very good AI tool for video content creators on YouTube, other channels, also other social media platforms. It's called Pictory AI. So firstly, what we are going to do is we're going to sign in. So I'll be taking you how to go about this AI tool. It is very easy to use, it is straightforward, it generates results very fast. So it offers different kinds of plan, but we'll go for the free one. This is the overlay. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a script. I don't want to just save time. So I'll use ChatGPT to generate a very simple script. So compose a script based on the biblical story of Moses. So we are going to be working on that. So I will use the scripts based on the story of Moses to check how the tool is going to work on that. So I suggest to check this tool, Pictory AI. Pictory AI. It is a very good tool. I have tried it. So you can use it for basically anything, for TikTok, for Instagram, for YouTube, for all social media platforms. So this is just a sneak peek of the big things this tool can do. So firstly, this is my prompt, a very simple and direct prompt. So let's see the results. So it's generating the results right now. This is actually good. This is good. Okay, so it's still generating. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT now to remove those tags, those narration, those scene one, those unnecessary tags there. I don't want it to appear in the video afterwards. So I suggest you also use it like this, because if you don't remove those scene one visuals and all that, it is going to appear in your video after you've created the video. So we don't want that to happen. So I'm asking ChatGPT to remove it and to just restructure the whole script. So here we go. Here it is. I think this is much better compared to the first one. This is better. And this music that you are listening to is a music I created using AI. So it's an AI powered music. So I've created a video on it. So you can also check the video, check out the music videos if you love this music. Everything is totally AI powered creativity. So what we are going to do now, we are going to copy these scripts into the tool, Pictory AI. We'll copy this script. So once we copy it, we paste it into the tool, the script editor. After that, then we are going to remove the headings, the 10 commandments. You are going to remove them. So once you remove it, don't backspace twice. Just leave the gaps as they are like that. So you want to put in your title. Then after that, you remove the headings, the subheadings. You delete them. Then afterwards, you are going to use this option also. I'm just trying to for you to get the best experience, so that once we are done exporting, well, you can try it multiple times, but I've tried it. That is why it's easy for me to go through this process. So it is kind of creating everything. So here it is. This is the video. So it is half ready right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding a music to the video to give it this kind of, to just bring the video alive. So I just picked a music randomly. I picked any music randomly. It is copyright free. Yeah. So afterwards, we use a voiceover for someone to narrate the story. So we are going to just choose anyone. You can either choose male or female. So I chose any one of them. So this is everything about Pictory AI. It is very easy to use. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
In a land of sand and stone, where the Nile River flows, a story of faith, courage, and deliverance begins. This is the story of Moses, a man chosen by God to lead his people to freedom. The Israelites, descendants of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, lived as slaves in Egypt. The Pharaoh, fearing their numbers, decreed that every newborn Hebrew boy be cast into the Nile River. But one mother, filled with love and hope, placed her baby boy in a basket and set him adrift on the river's current, trusting God to protect him. Pharaoh's daughter found the child and, moved by compassion, decided to raise him as her own. She named him Moses, meaning drawn out of the water.
We go rise again, no matter the struggle, we go ease the pain. From the streets of Lagos with the use of trust, we dey hold on tight, we don't go lost. Wahala for Naija, but ups today, together we go make am no matter the way.